Hi guys, so I am back, and in this video I'm going to show two journals, and these are using the Spring Garden kit by Allegra Digital on Etsy. Etsy. So the first one here, I'm gonna show you. Let me measure it for you. This one measures it's about 4.5 by 6. Okay, and the other one is gonna measure the same. But I'm gonna show you because although they're pretty similar, they are not. So this journal is also made with what I did was I took a manila envelope, I cut it down, I glued it, I put Tyvek inside of it, and then I took that and sandwiched it with felt, the same thing as the bigger ones. So after that I covered it with fabric. So that's the construction of these little cutie patooties, because I love them. And then I have the image in the front. I have a little dangle here. You can remove it if you want to. It's only held with a little bow pin, and a little dangle there. And I have some eyelet trim, beautiful butterfly. I have rosettes in the spine. That's the back of it. It has this one has silver metal corners and satin ribbon closure and a satin. I already said that. Oh my gosh. Hello. I have this pretty trim scattered throughout. So let's get right into it. So this is let me bring you in. Let me bring you in. Okay. So looks like that. And this is Seneca Pond's background page. What's it called? The Cottage Chic Butterfly Garden. Uh-oh. It's too. Sorry about that. Okay, so the papers have been coffee dyed. I have here some trim, lace trim, and then stitched around tag. And this is open, so you can also put something in the back. You got music sheet and a doily that Katie Lynn from Katie Lynn Creations sent me. Thank you so much. And look at how beautiful that is. And this is from Seneca Pond. Look at how beautiful those tags are. And I just glittered the butterfly. Got vintage book sheets in here. And then you have craft papers. I'm going to try to go fast, guys, because I got two. I have another one to show you. And then side pocket with some lace stitched around the tag. Then we have a glassine bag. Look at how beautiful. Oh, and I made mason jar, and this is from Seneca Pond. And this kit for these mason jars are the Vintage Garden. little mason jars. They're so pretty. So I added that into this little glassine little envelope. It doesn't have anything in it. A little mulberry paper ribbon. Edith Holden. Some cutter parts from the collection that I just stuck. Another side tuck. Back down to coffee dyed paper. And this is another tag. It's super cute, this little mini. This is an envelope. Little butterfly. This is from the collection. Some trim down here. This opens up and it has more coffee dye paper for extra journaling. And that closes, ties up. And I'll have the page count on all of these on the Etsy listing. This is Seneca Pond's background paper. Little tiny tag here that I've stitched around. Goes into that little pocket. Look at how gorgeous. Little pocket here. Some lace. More Edith Holden. Another doily. Another little image here. The other side of the glassine bag. Everything is temporary, it says down here. And this is another Seneca Pond little mason jar with a little fairy in there. She's like a captured little fairy. And you can still journal on the back of these. And this is another little glassine envelope. I love these. On my other channel, I used to have, I think I made a couple that were small like this. I haven't made some small like this in a long time. So, but don't think they're just as time consuming as a big one, because you're adding the same elements just in a smaller, you know, on a smaller scale, really. And that is that one, guys. I'll show you the other one. Let me tie this up and I'll show you the other one. So that is that one, and then we have this one, which is just a little bit of a different color. This one has the lavender, like the lavender butterfly. And this one has the gold corners, lavender. It's got a fuzzy. And it has the cream, but the construction and everything are the same as the other ones. And it has the gold bow pin to match the, you know. I have a sneeze coming. It went away. Oh, I hate when that happens. So you open it up and you have the bird. So cute. Spring flowers. I can't wait for spring. I can't wait for the weather to get warm. I'm over this cold. Beautiful. And this one has the pink doilies. And you have another little shaker mason jar. And you can still journal in the back with another little glassine envelope here. Edith Holden tracing paper. And you have little 2 tags that go in this pocket. Bank of Love, that's so cute. More Seneca Pond tags. And these are more places you can journal extra. Yearly egg account. And then same thing, you can open up here. For extra journaling. It's a very party. And let's see. A little butterfly and more of my vintage poetry book. Spring flowers. A little pocket. Middle of the signature. And 2 extra little tags. Beautiful. And I cut apart this from the collection and I use it as a little tuck spot. And beautiful. If I didn't mention, these are Seneca Ponds, which I'm sure I mentioned 1,000 times. But you know, gotta mention it. Because I love them. More extra journaling spots. This is Seneca Ponds as well. Seneca Ponds Craft. I love my mason jars. I am obsessed with mason jars. I don't understand it. I love them. No one is too old for fairy tales. I love that. Look at how cute. Tracing paper. Spring flowers. So cute. And more trim down here. And this is open. I should have said that. This is open for you want to put anything else in there. And that is the back of that. You can put your name here. Alright guys, and that is my 4 journals. I hope you guys like them. They are listed on my Etsy. And I think next I'm going to work on a, I don't know, I have so many ideas, guys. It's just crazy. It's so much I want to do, and then my time is so limited, you know. That happened to you, like, so much you want to do, and then your time is so limited, like, but anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Let me see what I come up with next. Anybody have any ideas, let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.